Christmas here, and I'm making these super cute little wreath ornaments for some very special ladies. And I just wanted to do just a quick clip here and just show you the importance of layering. And sometimes we're painting a project and we like that nice soft look, but sometimes we just want a little bit of extra punch. And so I just wanted to show you the difference. If you continue with your layering process, the amazing amount of punch or color that you can get just from taking the time to continue layering, maybe 2, 3, maybe even more, and adding different little tints and colors and extra highlights. And the more you add, the more interest you're actually adding to your piece. And you can see already the difference between this one and this one. And it's just layering. You just keep going. Let your color dry, and tuck some depth into little areas that you might not have thought about tucking some depth, making little extra crease areas. You can draw an entire picture just with your shading and highlighting and tint methods. And you can see on this one here, it's got little yellow tints in the bow and quite a bit of highlighting. And yeah, just all these little things just really add to your piece, and you can see the difference here already in the 3. And so anyways, I just wanted to share that with you because it just struck me as amazing as I was sitting here working with color and looking at the difference between the pieces that I was working on. So I hope that you can add that simple little tip to your daily painting. Talk to you later.